Good morning, welcome to my video. I'm Adrienne from Mum's House Party. Today we are doing a 6-hour deep clean. 6 hours till the school run pick up, and this house is going to get blitzed before Christmas. So I'm going to do it on a bit of a speed so you're not here all day, but I'm going to cover every task just to give you a little bit of motivation, and then you're going to go off and do your own too. So let's get started. Mop and bucket and hoover ready. We're going to clear the sides and get started. It's important to stay hydrated when you're cleaning because you are actually exercising. So I'm finishing off my coffee and I'm going to drink this while I'm going round. So once I've hoovered everywhere and everywhere is dusted in the lounge, I spray the carpets with Carpet Fresh, and I spray the sofas and the curtains and the cushions with this Dettol spray and wear. It's for clothes and shoes really, but it smells delicious and it makes everything smell lovely. I'm just using pink stuff on my sink, so you only need a little bit on the rough side of your minky, and unscrew the sink. I'm just going to get rid of all that lime scale on the plug. You don't have to rub very hard either because the pink stuff does all the work for you. Going to do all in here as well while the plug's out. Shiny and new. that's me done for the day. Hoovered throughout, mopped throughout, all bathrooms are clean, beds are made, all the dusting and polishing and skirting boards are done. What's the time? 2 o'clock. So I've got an hour before the school pickup. So I'm going to put my feet up with a cup of tea and relax. I'm a sweaty hot mess and I need a shower. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you on the next one.